Hey guys, it's your girl Justena, and today we are gonna do a morning routine for my natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing what I do in the morning, especially when I have a wash and go, just keep on watching. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Click that red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Comment down below and let me know what you do when you have a wash and go the next morning when you wake up. What do you do? Like, what's your morning routine as far as getting your hair ready for the day and everything like that? So let's just get into this video. So guys, currently I have my hair in this bonnet. I have not done anything to it. I just took a shower, got myself dressed for the day, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I did a wash and go. Today is Monday. I did it on yesterday. Yeah, yesterday morning. Sunday morning, I went ahead and did a wash and go on my hair. And I want to show y'all how after I put it up for the night, how do I take it down and stretch it and get it to where I need it to be. So, currently I have my hair in this bonnet. Under this bonnet, I have my hair like kind of stretched in four sections, right? I'm using satin scrunchies to stretch my hair. Literally the night before, I just sectioned my hair into four sections and used the satin scrunchie and like stretched it out a little bit. And just like put it in little mini ponytails, basically. That's what I did. So the next morning, I usually like take off my bonnet and then I go into each section. So the first thing I do is I'm gonna use this section first. I usually take it down, kind of like try to shake it out, kind of move it around, get it to where I need it to be, right? Kind of stretch it out because it's been all compacted all night. So I'm gonna stretch out my hair a little bit with my fingers, kind of like fluff it and stuff. So when I am taking down and fluffing out my natural hair, just to minimize some frizz, I like to add a serum or oil to my hair to help minimize the frizz. Now the wash and go I have in my hair today is with a leave-in and a mousse. And as y'all know, when you use a mousse in a wash and go, it can get a little bit frizzier faster. So the serum I'm gonna use today is by Amyla Cosmetics, and it's their hair growth serum. It is for women with natural hair, and it's supposed to help women who have natural hair grow longer hair. So I do have a discount code for everything on their website. It is 20% off everything on their website. If you just use the code right here, Justena20, you can get 20% off anything on their website, including this hair growth oil. So this hair growth oil actually has mainly like oils. It has coconut oil, carrot oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, almond oil, vitamin E, organic peppermint, and biotin in here. So it just basically says part your hair in four sections, which I have it in four sections already, and it says apply directly to your entire scalp. Moisturize for 1 to 2 minutes and leave in and wash your hair once a week. On here it says for best result, use every day, which is kind of what I do too. I don't only use this on my scalp, I also use it like kind of over my hair just to protect my hair from being too frizzy. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It does have this little like dropper thing, which I think is pretty cool. Hopefully it is focusing on it. So let's get some. And I've used this for like the past, I want to say week and a half, and I'm only to the label, and it was just like right above the label. So I'm right here now. So, and I've used this every day, except on my wash days. So this is how the oil is looking, just like any other oil. I do smell like the peppermint, so I like to put it like on my fingertips and then rub it directly on my scalp first. And then it gives you like an aroma, and then I just like pat it into my hair. Kind of pat it. And then help stretch as well. Stretch my hair out a little bit while I'm applying the oil into my hair. It does definitely smell like peppermint, and it leaves like kind of a little bit of a lingering smell. So if you don't like kind of like pepperminty, or kind of like, cause you can kind of smell like the almond of it, the almond oil of it, kind of like you can smell almost everything in it, even like a little bit of the coconut. But overall, I really like this serum oil a lot. So I am going to continue applying this oil to my hair, and in between I am just gonna go ahead and stretch my hair just like I've been doing. So stretch my hair out just to get it less compact. And by putting these like satin scrunchies on my hair, it eliminates me from like using like a heat tool. Like sometimes when I do gel wash and goes, I actually stretch my hair with a blow dryer, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna like manually stretch it with the hair ties plus my hair. And as I apply this oil, I still have like a little oil on my hand, so it does give like a decent amount of shine, I could say that. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more to my hand because this is kind of a bigger section, and I want to make sure I'm getting it on my scalp, enough on my scalp. So Alright guys, so I just showed you my morning routine when I have a Mousse wash and go. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Forward, I can't talk. Mainly I use any kind of oil or serum on my hair, and you know, manipulate my hair and shape it how I want to. I make sure I apply it to my edges as well, because you know we gotta make sure our edges are growing. So this oil serum, I this serum, I love it. It is a very, it just does what it needs to do. Minimizes frizz, grows my hair. Of course, I've been using it in the past like week. I've noticed my hair like changing a little bit. So week and a half. So yeah. So if you're interested in Amyla, or you want me to do an update on how their serum worked on my hair as far as hair growth, because that's what they're advertising it for, but I do use it like kind of on a daily basis, just like it says in the instructions. Comment below and let me know if you would like to try Amyla. Please make sure you do not forget to use my 20% off coupon code Justena20, so you can get 20% off everything on their website. So make sure you go check it out today. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe, click that red button so you can be notified of my next video, and subscribe and do all that. And I love you, and remember that you're blessed. Bye guys.